Ever wondered how you can make $100 a day with just a few clicks on Pinterest? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal secret strategies top marketers don't want you to know. Don't miss out. Your financial freedom could be just a pin away. First, let's talk about why Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest users actively search for inspiration, ideas, and products they want to buy. This searching behavior means the audience is already in a buying mindset, making it an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. Now, what types of content perform best on Pinterest? Tutorials are a fantastic start. People love step-by-step guides that show them how to achieve something. Whether it's a new recipe, a do-it-yourself project, or a fitness routine, pairing these tutorials with your affiliate products can lead to high engagement and conversions. Next on the list are product reviews. Honest and thorough reviews build trust with your audience. Detailed, high-quality images and authentic commentary about the pros and cons of a product can help potential buyers make informed decisions. When you provide genuine insights, your audience is more likely to click through your affiliate links. Inspirational content also does exceptionally well. Think about creating mood board, style guide, or home decor ideas that incorporate your affiliate products. The key is to make your content visually appealing and aspirational, encouraging users to save your pins for future reference. Lastly, consider creating seasonal content, whether it's holiday gift guides, summer must-haves, or back-to-school essentials. Seasonal pins naturally generate a lot of interest and clicks. So, which type of content are you most excited to create for your Pinterest audience? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter. Subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievements. Let's grow your business together. When it comes to driving affiliate sales, engaging your audience effectively is essential. A lively, interactive community can make all the difference. Let's start with a straightforward yet powerful technique, asking open-ended questions, rather than just telling your audience about a product. Ask them what they think about it. For example, have you tried this type of skincare routine before? What were your results? This invites them to share their experiences and opinions, creating a dialogue rather than a monologue. Next, consider the power of storytelling. Sharing personal anecdotes about how a product has positively impacted your life can resonate deeply with viewers. People connect with stories more than sales pitches, making them more likely to trust your recommendations and click your affiliate links. Polls and surveys are another fantastic tool for engagement. They not only boost interactions, but also provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences and pain points. For instance, run a poll asking which type of content they prefer: tutorials, reviews, or inspiration guides. This helps you tailor your content to their interests, ensuring higher engagement in future posts. Don't underestimate the influence of user-generated content. Encouraging your viewers to share their own stories, photos, or videos using the products you recommend fosters a sense of community. Feature their content in your posts or videos to acknowledge and appreciate their contributions. This kind of recognition can make your audience feel valued, strengthening their loyalty and encouraging further engagement. Finally, leverage the power of social proof. Highlight comments and reviews from other users that support your claims. Showing that others trust and enjoy the products you promote builds credibility and can sway potential buyers who are on the fence. So, which engagement techniques are you excited to implement to drive your affiliate sales? Share your thoughts in the comments below.